I did was sort food products. The food products had already been inspected, and they would come down like an assembly line, and then I would sort them to into different categories, and then we would just palletize those. So it was essentially sorting the products that will go out to people. I guess the way that my service experience with AmeriCorps previously had prepared me for this, I've just done a lot of volunteering, and you never quite know what to expect. And so I guess AmeriCorps has really taught me to just be flexible and go with the flow and ask a lot of questions. Basically, I know that a lot of people are really unable to leave their homes right now. A lot of people are really kind of just going to the grocery store or staying home. That's really as far as people are getting, just doing the necessities. And I realize that I'm not in that age bracket that's susceptible. I don't have any of those underlying conditions, so I'm not the most at-risk person. And since I've also been laid off at this time, it really felt like the benefits could outweigh the risk, at least for someone in my situation. Yeah, if it's safe to do so and a person is healthy, I think there's just tremendous need in our community right now. There's tremendous need in the world during a pandemic like this, but I just specifically think about the organization that I'm working with and how I almost feel like the way that society typically works is really, it's not functioning the way it should be right now, and people still need to have access to food. And so Good Shepherd Food Bank is just a good organization to work with right now. I think it's strange to call the pandemic an opportunity, but all of a sudden I have a whole bunch of time on my hands, and I still have my health. And knowing that, I just think it's an opportunity for me to get out and serve.